Hi viewers, this is Phone Clinic, and today I want to teach you how to make a local rework station at home. Now for you to carry out this project, all you need about 3 tools or instruments. Number 1, you need a tin like this, and number 2, you need a candle, and number 3, you need a matches. First of all, what you need to do, you get your tin, you make a hole at the middle. You make a hole at the middle this way. After making your hole, you can look at it. After making your hole, then the next step is you take your matches, then you light your candle. You light your candle. You light your candle. Now, after lighting your candle like this, then you take your tin and then you cover it this way. Let the candle be at the middle of the hole. You can see this way, and then you are done with your project. Now let's give it a test. Now, for example, let's make use of our workstation. Now let's use it to remove this battery connector as an example. For using this, you don't need to place the panel too close to the fire. Give it some distance away. Put it this way, and then keep monitoring your panel so that it doesn't get burnt. Still keep it. Let it heat up the panel, and then you can see your fire. You see there is no damage to the panel. So when handling with this local rework station, be careful so that you don't damage the panel you are working on. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Phone Clinic, for more details. Thank you.